A remote job is like a dream come true for some people. Those who enjoy working from home will tell you the benefits of working remotely. They are spot on. When you can work from home, your schedule is now up to you to decide. Also, some firms are starting to expect employees to work remotely. However, finding and maintaining a job remotely can be difficult if you are already used to working from an office. Before finding one, you must consider the type of remote job you want or need. We have divided these into two broad categories. The first category is Freelancer. It offers many advantages, including the freedom to choose your projects, hours, and work conditions. It can be a great way to make money while enjoying the flexibility of being self-employed. As a freelancer, you are in charge of finding and managing your own projects, which means you're responsible for marketing yourself and seeking out clients. You may often have to negotiate rates, communicate with potential clients, and track expenses and payments related to your work. Some risks do come with all the benefits. Today, freelancers can enjoy flexible schedules and take advantage of compact work equipment that allows them to work comfortably at home or anywhere with an internet connection. You can decide whether the freelancer is right for you, since there is limitless opportunity and freedom in freelancing, but it also comes with the most risk with all the benefits. The second category is working as a full-time employee. When finding a full-time job that allows you to work remotely, you can choose between working for a traditional company or fully remote as the whole company. Working for a typical company gives you the stability of regular hours and consistent paychecks while being able to work remotely on your schedule. On the plus side, you have more flexibility than peers who report to the office. Being allowed to set your schedule provides freedom and could lead to higher productivity with fewer distractions. Besides, with less commuting time due to not having to travel to an office every day while still having the ability to be in the office when needed, remote workers might find that they have more free time on their hands. With all the benefits, one should know the possible drawbacks of working differently from the rest of the team or company. It can be isolating since it prevents staff from having face-to-face discussions with their co-workers or attending in-person meetings. It can also be difficult for remote workers to stay connected and engaged with their company mission and values when they are physically not in the office. Working alone without direct supervision can also feel detached from the company culture and direction. Additionally, time management skills must remain on point as there is often no one around to check in on progress or productivity levels. On the other hand, working for a fully remote company has become increasingly popular among the workforce, with all workers opting for independence and flexibility. It offers a range of benefits, including freedom from office politics and avoiding long commutes, not to mention no more forgotten lunches. Unlike working for a more traditional company with some workers still working in the office, fully remote company workers can craft their schedules according to their lifestyle preferences. With so many benefits, it is easy to see why full-time remote jobs are appealing. However, some drawbacks are associated with working for such companies as well. Communication can be even more daunting since everyone works at their hours and mostly without face-to-face contact, making it hard for co-workers to get on the same page or provide help quickly if needed. No matter which type of company you decide to work for, one thing to note with working remotely as a full-time employee for a company is that you want to be able to work from anywhere in the world. Before working for any company, remember to confirm that such a company can hire you while you work in another country. If the company is not set up legally in the country you stay in, they might not be able to pay you while you work there. It is just another thing to keep in mind if there is one goal of exploring a fully remote job. Now we have explained the types of remote jobs with their benefits and drawbacks. Let us look at the few popular choices for us to look for work-from-home jobs. First, Flexjobs. Flexjobs includes 50 plus job categories, including various part-time, full-time, and freelance roles. Employments range from entry-level to executive. Flexjobs screens their job listings before providing them to job seekers to be sure each party works in the ideal locale and situation. With around 20,000 job openings for remote and digital nomad work, a wide variety of options are available at your fingertips. Second, we work remotely. The job board on We Work Remotely is a one-stop shop for remote work-from-home employment, including customer support, web design, and programming. It has a clean, uncomplicated design. Its website successfully fulfills its stated mission of identifying the most qualified people in the most unexpected area by connecting more than 130,000 users monthly with telecommuting possibilities. Third, remotes.co. The remote jobs on remotes.co is manually curated. The job listings include positions in customer service, design, development, sales, recruiter, and HR, and other remote work. You can search and browse on remotes.co websites according to the type of jobs. Fourth, PowerToFly. PowerToFly is a wish fulfilled for female job searchers who want to work from home. It specializes in connecting women in technology with remote and work-from-home opportunities. If you sign up for their talents database, you will be vetted and paired for a paid trial with a job applicant. Two tech-savvy moms founded PowerToFly, dedicated to making digital nomad dreams a reality for women, and it still is today. Now that you know the different types of remote jobs and where to find them, I hope all of you who dream of working from home can decide for yourself what is best for you. If learning the things I told you in this video and a fully remote job still sounds perfect for you, then good luck. Don't hesitate. Go for it. With that in mind, we come to the end of the video. Make sure to share any thoughts on today's video in the comment section below. Hit the like button on this video and subscribe to Path Your Planet for more content. See you next time.